Can we watch the video one more time? I just gotta remember something. Like, what's next?
In my time at Tasty, I've put myself through a number of ridiculous cooking and baking trials. Okay. God, I'm so over this. But it dawned on me, why should I have all the fun? So I'm challenging two of my friends, Gadiel and Julissa, to tackle one of my recipes, the giant chocolate souffle. How would you guys rate your skills in the kitchen?
Well, I can cook.
Okay, but what about baking?
I have burned some cookies in my day.
It shouldn't be hard. You just put it in the oven and that's it. And then leave it in there.
Okay, great.
How hard can baking be?
Challenge accepted.
So for this challenge, you're each gonna watch the video, and then you're gonna compete to see who can recreate the dish the best, with absolutely no instruction beyond that. And at the end, I'll be judging to see who did the best job.
So watch the video once, and that's it.
Because I'm not a total jerk, I'm gonna throw you guys some lifelines. During the challenge, you can either peek at the video, or you can FaceTime me and ask me any question you want.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Well, I'll leave you guys to it, and best of luck.
He's gonna need it. Are you ready?
Let's do it. Ooh, wow, that's how I know. Ramen King. What the fuck is Ramen King?
First of all, it's ramen.
Can you stir that mother? Can we curse? Too late. Flour, salt, vanilla.
This seems easy.
What the fuck is that?
This is I'm not gonna tell you. Now, this is easy.
No, this is ridiculous.
Shh, you're distracting me.
They put in the chocolate back in the bowl. Why is it growing like that? Ooh, wow. I'm not gonna lie. That ain't gonna happen.
Let the games begin.
What are you doing?
God, you're so
Every time,
annoying.
now that you hide it, now I wanna know what you're doing. No, that's messed up.
Get away from me.
You gotta put the sugar in there.
I can't wait to see everything that you're about to do. God, we should have had a divider. I'm gonna take a break and just let you go for it.
I'm heating this up right now.
And then what?
I'll put some milk in there.
He doesn't know what the hell he's doing.
I know what I'm doing. You just gotta look confident. All right, I'm gonna put that in there.
Why are you looking at me? Do your own thing.
I just don't remember how much you gotta put in here. So we stirring it because we gotta add chocolate into the milk. Now.
I feel like this is not thickening. Did I miss something?
I gotta stop copying her. She's ruining my stuff. And let me watch that video one more time. I'm gonna use my lifeline.
So you're really gonna turn it away from me? You're not gonna let me watch? So when I get a lifeline, I'm
cheating.
not gonna show you.
Okay, all right, let's watch it. Focus. Oh, okay. Oh. Hold on, wait a minute, girl. She still got a lifeline.
I'm not using that lifeline right now.
But you cheated. I didn't see the rest of it because she took over. You didn't put the chocolate in there.
I know.
See, I helped you. See, I'm really
I
nice.
already knew that. Why are you still stirring?
Because it's good to continue stirring when you don't know what you're doing. I'm just waiting on that plastic. You put a plastic right here.
Something is terribly wrong about this.
No, I'm gonna do it the way I do it.
Hers already have a little texture. This is just water.
Use your lifeline.
No, I'm not using my lifeline. What is it gonna do now?
Exactly, we don't know. What if we mess it up now? And then in the future, it'll be too late.
I feel like it's already too late.
That's why you're quiet. What are you doing?
I'm securing my bowl.
I'm not even gonna copy you. Where you going?
Where's the refrigerator?
I thought we were friends.
Hey guys, are these your batters?
Yes.
I'm not supposed to do this, but
It's watery.
it's too
I knew it.
I knew it.
You're gonna wanna put these back on the heat and make sure they get thickened up.
But you put the plastic on like this, right?
He's right about the plastic.
Yeah.
In your face.
Because I didn't do it because look at this.
Yeah, but that's not right.
This is dumb.
Okay, I'm gonna leave. Have at it. Good luck. This never happened.
That's fine. She's watching the video then.
No, I'm not. I was recording Gadiel when we were on a break.
I didn't look at it though.
I have receipts of what he was trying to look up.
soufflé.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
But I didn't do
look
it
it up. Why?
because you told me not to.
That's not why. He didn't know how to spell soufflé. We corrected our mistake. I followed Gadiel with putting the little wrap on top.
Because I know what I'm talking about.
What's the next step?
I already did the next step. I put the egg whites in here, the other powders that was around the egg whites, I don't know what it was, and I stir it up. I used the machine because I was stirring it up at the same time as I was stirring the chocolate. Booyah, because that's how you save time, my friends. Now what we're gonna do is keep stirring this thing up, make it nice and smooth, and then we're gonna mix this thing in there. Am I right? Yes. And then you're gonna make it feel all soft and fluffy. Put everything in here, and then afterwards, in the oven for 30 minutes, and it's gonna rise up. That's right.
Let's do it.
Wow, look at that, look at that. I like it, like that. Any baker knows that before you put it in the oven, you have to preheat the oven. Right? Also goes for sex. I'll be right back. 350 degrees. 375. I could read lips, girl. I'm gonna put the whole thing in there because ain't nobody got time for anything else. You see how creamy that looks? That's how it's supposed to look, people. Ooh.
Mine's just not getting fluffy.
Because you don't show no love. That's what happens, people.
I do not remember seeing her do any of that.
I might bake mine at 375. Because maybe that's a part of the video I didn't see. I'm acting confident, but I'm really not confident at all.
Baking is hard. This is so easy.
Why are you taking forever?
I'm just taking my time. Yeah, look at the fluff. You don't want to lose the fluff.
I didn't lose the fluff because I was using this.
All right, I think mine's is good. I like that it doesn't look watery.
Mine didn't look.
Yes, it did.
Did I fuck it up?
This is good.
She's trying to get in my head, but I'm not stupid. Bet you it's gonna come out delicious.
Look at that.
I don't like the way it looks. The thumb is for later. Oh wait, it's before you put it in.
I'm not saying how much time I'm gonna put mine in for because he's gonna go and copy me just like he switched his temperature.
I might bake mine at 375.
So I'm gonna refrain from speaking anymore on what I'm doing. Mine is just baking and I'm ready.
Mine is baking too. And when it's ready, it's gonna be dope.
It smells really good.
I think it looks good.
There we go. This is the easiest part. And this is the best part because you can cover any of the imperfections with.
Yeah, he needs to cover it because I hope you guys saw what it looked like
It looked amazing.
All right, Gadiel.
Let's taste
give
this.
it a taste.
All right.
Okay. This is
wet.
You actually want your souffle to be like a little bit wet inside. It's supposed to be light and airy when you eat it.
I don't know what souffle is supposed to taste like, but that tastes good.
I mean, it's souffle. It always tastes good. I'm gonna have to be critical here though.
Tell him that it's mushy.
To me, it's mushy.
I'm getting a grainy texture on my tongue after I eat it. And also, when you first look at it, there wasn't any rise up out of the souffle dish. So that's telling me that you probably like really whipped the batter when you were supposed to really lightly fold it.
Ooh.
How did you do the folding process?
I never had to fold it because
That's what's gonna happen. You're not gonna get like a light and airy souffle and it's not gonna rise up. But I mean, it's chocolate.
it did rise up. It was like in the middle. And
I couldn't eat it.
We're gonna try.
Let me try this one. Nah,
It's getting like some weird aftertaste.
like protein.
Yours is still on the gooier side, which is good. You don't want to overbake it, but it is a little.
Wakala.
What's wakala mean?
Not good. I like mine's better. You could tell like mine's had more love and hers was hate.
I will say though, your top looked nicer. It didn't have the rise like a souffle should have, but it had a flat top with a little bit of scoop in the center, and that means it's not like overdone. Gadiel's got some weird bubbly surface. I'm not
But
really sure.
it tasted better.
They're both kind of wrong. Based on the elements that I'm looking for out of a souffle, they're pretty close. But I have to say,
What?
you took this one.
In your face, walk like this.
I couldn't even finish it. Yes, I did finish it.
First of all,
but it doesn't have a protein aftertaste.
Gotta just take it fair and square that you lost.
You also used a hand mixer when you were supposed to fold.
I only fold my clothes.
$350. You also put in for $350 when it specifically said $375.
No, I put a $375. She was my lifeline.
Cool. So, goes to show, so I won. And guess what? I didn't use a lifeline.
Not in my book. She lost in my book.
You probably could have still used the lifeline.
Alex.
You know what? At least we did great. This is delicious and it was fun to do. Imagine like, if we had the video there, how different it would have come out.
Yeah, souffle is one of the hardest things you can make, so you guys should both be very proud of yourselves.
It was actually really hard. I was saying it was easy, but I was lying. Good job, Gadio.
Good job, you too, Julissa.